The first hint of morning arrives softly. It creeps over the calm Indian Ocean. The darkness begins to fade away slowly. A gentle warmth touches the cool night air. The stars twinkle their last goodbyes to the night. Soon, a new day will begin here. This is the Maldives, waking up peacefully. The sky transforms into a painter's canvas. Streaks of pale pink appear first, then soft lavender joins the display. Golden orange hues start to glow brightly. These colors dance above the horizon line. The water below reflects this gentle light. It shimmers with 1,000 tiny diamonds. The beauty is quiet, yet so powerful. It fills your heart with pure wonder. The air is fresh, carrying the scent of salt. A light breeze whispers through palm leaves, a perfect start to any Maldivian day. The beaches of the Maldives are truly famous. Their sand is incredibly soft and white. It feels like fine powder beneath your feet. Walking barefoot here is a pure delight. The sand stretches out like a ribbon. It meets the most amazing blue waters. This contrast is stunning to behold. The water here is a special kind of clear. You can see straight to the bottom, even when you are far from shore. Shades of turquoise and aquamarine mingle. They change with the sunlight above. Gentle waves create soothing, rhythmic sounds. The ocean seems to breathe with life. It invites you to step in, to feel its cool, refreshing touch. Imagine yourself relaxing on these perfect shores. The sun warms your skin gently. The soft ocean breeze keeps you cool. Beneath the calm surface, a new world awaits. The Maldives is home to amazing marine life. Coral reefs here are like underwater gardens. They are full of color and activity. Fish of every shape and hue swim by. It is a truly mesmerizing spectacle. Snorkeling here is an essential experience. You will not believe your eyes. The clear waters make exploring so easy. Schools of tiny silverfish dart past. Larger, more colorful fish glide gracefully. You might see a friendly turtle swimming, or perhaps a harmless reef shark in the distance. The diversity of life is astounding. Each reef tells its own story. Diving deeper reveals even more wonders. Manta rays dance with gentle movements. Whale sharks, the ocean's gentle giants, may appear. The Maldives is more than just pretty islands. It's a place where history, tradition, and natural beauty intertwine to create a unique cultural experience. It has a rich and ancient culture that dates back thousands of years, influenced by various civilizations and traders who visited these islands. The Maldivian people are known as Divehin, and they take great pride in their heritage and customs. They have their own unique language, Divehi, which is an integral part of their identity and daily life. Their traditions are shaped by the sea, which has always been central to their way of life. Fishing has always been a way of life, providing sustenance and a means of livelihood for generations. You can see this deep connection to the sea in their daily routines, from the bustling markets to the quiet moments of reflection by the shore. Their connection to the ocean is very strong, influencing their recreational activities and even their spiritual beliefs. Local music and dance are vibrant expressions of their culture, filled with energy and emotion. Badubaru is a popular form of music that involves big drums and rhythmic beats, creating an infectious energy. It involves big drums and rhythmic beats that resonate with the heartbeat of the islands. Dancers move with energy and passion, telling stories of island life through their movements. These performances tell stories of island life, history, and celebrations, passed down through generations. They speak of history and celebrations, bringing the community together in joyous harmony. Experiencing Badubaru is truly captivating, offering a glimpse into the soul of the Maldivian people. It offers a glimpse into the Maldivian soul, capturing the essence of their emotions and stories. Maldivian crafts are also very special, showcasing the creativity and skill of local artisans. Skilled artisans create beautiful items, from intricate wood carvings to delicate woven mats. They use materials found on the islands, such as coconut and palm leaves, to craft their unique creations. Wood carving is a traditional skill that has been passed down through generations, each piece telling a story. Lacquer work, known as Lialawa Jahun, is famous for its vibrant colors and intricate designs, reflecting the island's beauty. The Maldives is a delicate natural wonder. It is made up of many coral atolls. These atolls are unique island formations. They rise from the deep ocean floor and protect the islands within them. This geography creates calm, shallow lagoons, perfect for the stunning beaches we love. Mangrove forests fringe some islands, and these are vital habitats for young fish. They also protect coastlines from erosion. Seagrass beds are another key feature. They provide food for turtles and dugongs. Every part of this ecosystem is connected. The health of one affects all others. Conservation is a high priority here. The Maldivian people understand their environment. They know its value and its fragility. Many resorts have strong eco-friendly practices. They work to protect coral reefs, manage waste responsibly, and save water. This helps preserve paradise for the future. Why choose the Maldives for your 2025 escape? The reasons are clear and compelling. It remains a top travel destination. Its beauty is timeless and unmatched. The world seeks places of peace. The Maldives offers this in abundance. It is a sanctuary from busy lives, a place to truly disconnect and recharge. This year, the desire for unique experiences grows. The Maldives delivers this perfectly. It is more than just a holiday. It is a chance to create lasting memories. Imagine waking to ocean views every day, spending your afternoons in warm, clear waters, dining under a blanket of stars. These moments become treasured experiences. They stay with you long after you leave. The Maldives promises a once-in-a-lifetime feeling. Every aspect feels special and exclusive. The service is warm and attentive. The surroundings are breathtakingly beautiful. Tranquility is the true luxury here. The kind of peace that seeps into your soul and makes you forget the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The Maldives excels at providing this. With its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters, it's a paradise on earth. From the moment you arrive, stress fades. The warm welcome and the stunning views immediately put you at ease. The gentle pace of island life takes over. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor each moment. There are no loud noises or crowds, just the serene soundscape of nature, just the soothing sounds of nature, the gentle rustle of palm leaves and the rhythmic lapping of waves. The rustling palms and lapping waves, they create a symphony that calms the mind and soothes the soul. This creates an atmosphere of deep calm, a perfect setting for meditation and reflection. You can feel the ocean breeze on your skin. It's a gentle reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds you. It is soft, warm, and refreshing, a perfect complement to the tropical climate. It carries the clean scent of the sea, a scent that invigorates and refreshes. This breeze is a constant, gentle companion. It follows you wherever you go, enhancing your experience. It whispers through your Overwater villa, bringing with it a sense of peace and tranquility. It cools you as you relax on the beach, making every moment spent here even more enjoyable. This simple sensation is incredibly therapeutic. It's a natural way to unwind and de-stress. It connects you directly to the natural world. A reminder of the beauty and simplicity of life. A feeling of pure freedom arises. You feel unburdened and truly alive. The crystal clear waters also bring serenity. Their clarity and beauty are mesmerizing. Gazing at their shifting blues is meditative. It's a visual escape that calms the mind. Floating in their embrace is calming. It's like being cradled by nature itself. You can see tiny fish swimming below, a reminder of the vibrant life that thrives here. The food in the Maldives is a delight. The islands offer a culinary experience that is both unique and unforgettable. It reflects the island's bounty, with ingredients sourced directly from the surrounding ocean and lush landscapes. Fresh seafood is, of course, a star. The waters around the Maldives are teeming with marine life, providing an abundance of fresh fish and shellfish. Tuna is a staple in Maldivian cuisine. It is a versatile fish that can be prepared in many delicious ways. You can enjoy it grilled, curried, or smoked. Each preparation method brings out different flavors and textures. Local chefs prepare it with skill, using techniques that have been perfected over generations. They use traditional recipes passed down through families, ensuring that each dish is authentic and full of history. The flavors are fresh and exciting, with a perfect balance of spices and herbs that highlight the natural taste of the ingredients. A true taste of the Indian Ocean, each bite transports you to the serene and beautiful surroundings of the Maldives. Coconut is another key ingredient. This versatile fruit is used in a variety of dishes, adding a tropical twist. It is used in many dishes, sweet and savory. From curries to desserts, coconut adds a unique flavor. You will find it in curries and desserts, where it provides a creamy richness and a hint of sweetness. Coconut milk adds a creamy richness to curries, making them both hearty and flavorful. Grated coconut adds texture and flavor, enhancing the overall taste of the dish. Fresh coconut water is a refreshing drink. It is hydrating and perfect for cooling down on a hot day. It is perfect on a warm tropical day, providing a natural and delicious way to stay refreshed. This versatile fruit is central to island cooking. Its various forms are used in almost every meal. It gives dishes a unique local character, making Maldivian cuisine stand out. Exploring local flavors is an adventure. Each dish tells a story of the island's culture and traditions. Try garudia, a fragrant fish broth. It is a simple yet flavorful dish that is a staple in Maldivian households, or mashuni, shredded smoked tuna with coconut. This dish is a perfect example of the island's use of fresh, local ingredients. This is often eaten for breakfast with roshi, a type of flatbread that complements the dish perfectly. The Maldives is more than a destination. It is a feeling, an experience. It touches something deep within your soul. The beauty is almost overwhelming at times. The peace it offers is profound. It is a place that changes you. It reminds you of nature's power and the importance of quiet moments. It truly stays in your heart. This could be your once-in-a-lifetime journey, a chance to step into a postcard, to feel the softest sand between your toes, to swim in waters of impossible blue, to witness sunsets that set your heart alight. These are not just pictures you see. They are real moments waiting for you. A dream that you can actually live, an escape that you truly deserve. Imagine yourself here, in this paradise. Let the ocean breeze soothe your spirit.